Tutu ends up in big trouble after a night of fun with the boys, and a second location ends up into a horror movie. Now he's getting arrested. Dintle learns that Nhloso wanted to divorce her and go back to Madlomo, only after saying that she wants to be the one to look after Nhloso and must not go back to KZN. And Utsidi collapses at her wedding after refusing to come clean to David about the sickness. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Ntutu was forced into sitting A levels, even though he was not drinking. Now peer pressure of the new girl that he has just met. He's now drinking. Ntutu usuyaphuza manje. After he worked so hard to stay away from alcohol, Jigi Potutu decides let's go to a second location. They go to Level Apartments. Mabafika le uOked ukhiphe idakamizwa. Bonke sebabhizi ba-indulge. Now, a night of fun ends up into a horror movie in the morning when they wake up and the girl that they brought with is not waking up. Bamcheka untombazana, it's not that she's sleeping. Untombazana ngathi akasekho, isushayile. Now they're all panicking. Go, so this girl is not waking up. What's happening? I don't think she's sleeping. Now they're worried. Is she dead? What's happening? What happened? Is it late? Zizwene orchid? Did they overdose? What happened? Now they're all panicking. Poet is also there. I wonder Toruso Utugupi. They decide, you know what? They put her in a suitcase. And for suitcase again. Now they're worried. Obviously, CCTV footage will have the footage of them moving a suitcase. Now they're worried. Ntutu gets a phone call from a detective saying he needs to come in for questioning. But Tutu decides, hey, my police are on to me. I'm leaving Johannesburg. We need to be all here. Now it seems like the whole thing says selling on Tutu. Untutu now is telling Mtunzi, please tell Margot because I don't know what's happening. Mtunzi is shocked. Now Upoet is also like confused. He does not know what to do. Police are coming to his house. Kukutubela is like, what's happening? I'm sure he did not even reveal what happened at Level Up apartment with those girls that they were chilling with. Now Umadlomo, after everything that Hloso put her through, with the kidnapping and all, she still thinks that she doesn't want to press charges. And the detective is trying by all means to find out what happened. But Nhloso is going through a lot. What he did is unlike him. He needs help. Lies to the detective saying to the people that kidnapped her. After everything she went through, she decides she's just going to protect her kids because obviously if their father go to prison, and then Udintle Umawake Maganhloso wanted to take Nhloso to KZN so that he recovers there. Udintle was like, nope, he's my husband. I'm going to nurse him back to life. Kanti Udintle also find out when she goes to the therapist. So the therapist amtshela ukuthi hey, Nhloso wanted to leave you and go back to Madlomo. I should have known when he did that, when he ambushed Umadlomo wamletha la ethi he's willing to divorce you and go back to her and fix things with her. I should have known. Udintle had no idea ukuthi Nhloso wanted to leave her. Udintle find out Hashem. First it was the kidnapping, then ukuthi school fees 80k was for her funding a kidnapping plan. Now ukuthi Nhloso wanted to leave her. So kahle Nhloso does not amurat. Now Tidi is going on and on about this whole sickness thing. The next thing, David decides they're getting married. Now Tidi is collapsing at her wedding. Does this mean Huru Tidi has some underlying sickness that she also didn't know about? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.